Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso! Have you been thinking about pursuing your master's degree? I hope this video helps you out make that final decision. I am ERR Stories, and for today's conversations, pag-uusapan natin ang dalawang bagay that you have to consider para you can finally say that yes, you're ready to take that master's program. I took up my MA in Psychology back in 2011 and my MBA I have completed in 2019, and I'll be sharing these two things based on my experience. So tip number one, you have to be physically prepared. A lot of people are saying you have to be mentally prepared because you'll be doing a lot of readings, case studies, and all that. Yes, I agree. But also you have to take into consideration, if you are physically prepared, lalo guys, kung ikaw ay working student, that means you're not a full-time student, and you have work in the morning or whatnot, diba? You have to be physically ready. One way to manage that is by choosing a school or a university or a college that actually provides a more flexible learning setup. So when I took my MBA at Southville, I was very happy because the classes are actually held every Saturday lang, and so it's more convenient for you, especially if you're working. And you take subjects, like 3 subjects per term, and 1 subject is taken for 5 Saturdays only. Diba? So after that, you can focus and then you can go to the next subject. If you are physically drained, it would be hard for you really to pursue your studies because syempre, no, matutulog ka nilang kaysa magbasa ka ng cases. And then, tip number 2, or another thing that you have to consider, is your purpose. Why are you taking that graduate program or that master's degree? Para lang ba tumaas ang iyong posisyon? Yes, pwede. Para ba maging psychologist ka in the future? Pwede. Now, if you take MA in Psychology, and actually that is also offered in Southville, you have the opportunity, or you will be eligible to actually take the licensure to become a psychologist. So, diba? Purpose. And I remember when I was doing my graduate program, there came a time that I was really struggling because of completing a particular paper, and I was inspired by my deans, no? And they told me, okay, if you're feeling like that, go back to the very reason why you even started taking the graduate program. And those are the 2 things. Basically, I'll be sharing more experiences in the future. So, I hope you follow my vlog and share this as well for those people whom you think would like to pursue their master's degree. Bye for now!